everybody, it's Christine from Chalk Couture, and I want you to meet your new best friend. That's right, it is the Holiday Starter Kit, available September 1 from Chalk Couture, and it has so many cool goodies just for the holiday season. If you have been waiting to start a fabulous, fresh, new opportunity, wait no more, because it is here. For $99 US, $129 Canadian, you get everything that you can see on this table and more. You get a wonderful Chalk Couture community. But first, let's look at what's inside this box when you become a Chalk Couture designer this holiday season. First of all, we are going to set you up with great supplies so that you'll know exactly how to build a beautiful DIY home decor business. You'll get a startup guide, the fabulous Chalk Couture logo apron, thank you cards for your soon-to-be raving fans, and of course, you will get what everybody is wanting to read on their bedside tables this fall, the Autumn-Winter Collection Catalog. It is gorgeous and full of inspired designs. But the coolest part, of course, is all the products that you get to jumpstart your new business endeavor. You're going to get 7 glorious transfers, many of them refreshed just for the holiday season. Love, I'm Dreaming of a Farmhouse Christmas, Darling Winter Icons, and of course, Too Cold to Care are all new in our holiday kit. To go with these great transfers, we are bringing you a whole lot of fabulous surfaces, specifically 3 different boutique surfaces. It's back, our best-selling 10-inch round boutique surface, Design, Love, Repeat, use her again and again, as well as the board and base. Yes, you can work on both sides of the board and base. And of course, our 12-pack of chalkable chips. Perfect for demos, coasters, tags, anything you can think of can go on these babies. And of course, one of our gorgeous gallery surfaces, porcelain-coated magnetic steel with an Aiden-style frame in 9x12. Absolutely beautiful for your finest inspired artwork. And then we've got a special peek. Remember how I said you're getting 7 transfers? One of them, I can't even show you what it is. That's how special it is. It's our Club Couture design, and it changes every single month, just for you. What else have we got in this great box? Seasonal selection of pastes. Look at the great holiday decor you're going to be able to make with these reds, greens, blues, white, and pink, all perfectly put together with our signature squeegee. All of this together, more than $250 US retail value. It can be yours. A new opportunity of design, decor, freedom, and fabulosity await you when you become a Chalk Couture designer this holiday season.